Angela here, and today I have these Justbe bracelets. They're awesome! They're beautiful! So guys, let me tell you a little bit about these bracelets. They're fairy tale themed. You can make your own. And it all comes in this beautiful little treasure chest. So let's start opening them up. These Justbe bracelets. Angel wings, there's stars, there's hearts, and there's like so much more. There's a lot of things to add. It's awesome. I can't wait to show you guys. And a big thank you to Justbe for sending me this wonderful gift. I might be wearing them in my other videos too. Justbe! Just be yourself. Okay, so we got the treasure chest. It's a pretty treasure chest. So let's open it up. Ooh, look what's in here. Take a look at this, you guys. So let's open it all up. See what's inside. In this kit, you can make 3 bracelets. So what we got these rainbows. These pretty rainbows. And we got the bracelet. So we got 3 of the bracelets. We got are these the charms? Well, these are all the charms that you can put on. They're so pretty. So let's start making a bracelet. Okay, I'm gonna pour them out in piles. Oh, trying to run away. So we got the rainbow beads there. We got these beads that I can add to it. Come on. Okay, now the next bag. Last bag. Come on out. Look at all this. All this. So it's time to make the bracelet. So let's open this up and get the bracelet out. We got the beautiful bracelet. And now we can add like stuff to it. So first you have to twist this thing off. Okay, we got it off. And now what should I add? There's so much to add. Like there's so much, look, so much stuff to add. Well, I'm gonna add this since I just picked it up. Okay, now I'm gonna add the love. And then I'm gonna add a beautiful rainbow. Rainbow on. Now what am I gonna put in the middle? Wait, are these angel wings? Look at this. I'm gonna add that. So cute. And now I'm gonna put another rainbow around it. Another beautiful rainbow. So this is it so far. Very pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna add, let me look. Ooh, like leaf. Okay, so I added that. Now I'm gonna add one more thing, which is gonna be,
come on.
Okay. That. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna add some more. I'm gonna add a heart. Yeah. Ooh, I'm gonna add this starfish. Okay, I'm done. So pretty. Oh, the end piece. Oh, here's the end piece. All you have to do is put this in. Okay. And now I can close it up. Yeah, now this is the bracelet. Oh, this way. Yeah, I got it. Okay, so I'm gonna add this flower. And now this beautiful heart. And now double the heart, because we gotta add lots of hearts. And I'm gonna add this beautiful snowflake. Oh, look at this pretty music note. Oh, I read the music one on the back at the beginning. I'm gonna add that one. Now it's time to add a rainbow. And I'm gonna add this beautiful sunflower. I got the sunflower on and another rainbow. Look at this so far. Lots of hearts and all that other stuff. Which one to add? I'm gonna add this. Oh, it's like a fairy. Gonna add the fairy and more hearts and love. It says love on it. Love. Okay, what else to add? I don't know what this is, but oh, I was looking at the wrong side. It's a bunny. It's a bunny. Beautiful bunny. And one more thing to add, this butterfly. Why did the boy throw the stick of butter out the window? Because he wanted to see the butterfly. Okay, time to add the latch, yeah. The latch, and now it's time to put it on myself. So guys, now we're making bracelet number 3. So first we have to take the end piece off. And now it's time to add. What to add first? I think I'm gonna add a rainbow because I'm gonna add all the rainbows this time. Gonna add this crown. And I'm gonna put the castle next to it. Starfish. One starfish. And next to it is gonna be a star. I should add the rainbow in the middle. Because the rainbows makes everything better. The rainbows is just the best part of it. Because the rainbows are beautiful. Oh, and there's another angel. Okay, now I'm going to add the angel. Now, time for more rainbows. In the middle, I'm going to add this dolphin. And I saw one that I liked. This one. It's like a key with angel wings. And then the part you hold is a heart. It's my favorite piece. Well, except in second place. It's in second place because the rainbows are the best. Gotta add the owl. Another crown. And more rainbows. It's almost done. It's a big bracelet. It's the biggest out of them all. Okay, and I'm gonna add this. Wait. Ooh, I gotta add this clock. It's so cool. It reminds me of a house with a clock in its walls. Gotta add the seashell. And now, the rainbow. It's big enough. Beautiful. Now we gotta put it on carefully. Righty tighty. Almost done. I'm one. Stay calm. Okay, and this is the beautiful bracelet. So now it's time to put it on. So guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure to sub, like, and share to get in our shout out squad. A big thank you to Justbe for sending us these bracelets. And if you don't know where to put them, there's a perfect spot for them in the magical treasure chest. They're down in the magical box.